What's up guys, Joe Drake here with the Axiom Fitness Academy. And one thing that I wish I knew more about in that first year of starting to work with clients was building systems. So systems for everything, but even systems for the exercises that I had in my head, right? I had spent all this time learning anatomy and physiology and how to move the body, and I had all these amazing exercises, but understanding how do I put all this together in a way that's consistent, right? So when I have 8 to 10 clients in a day, and I'm not trying to spend an hour writing every single program, that I had a process that I could make sure I was giving good workouts with for clients, and then systems for all the other aspects of my business, right? So systems for following up with clients rather than thinking, hey, I'm just gonna remember it. It kind of covers everything, but I really wish that someone had talked to me more about how to stay organized with my training, my programming, and my business overall, because I think it would have allowed me to be successful a lot faster.